let's make some pear flavorful custard. So let's start with it. So I'm in my kitchen right now. The milk is busy boiling, and I got some ingredients over here with me. So this is some milk, some jelly. Sorry, it's in the opposite direction. I will film it behind. We got some custard powder, some dessert sauce, and some milk to add with the custard. We have got already our milk boiling, so let's go to it. Some sugar which we have added along with the powder, and we're going to add this milk to this and stir it well. Okay, and this is the topping for my thing. This is some jelly. We added some milk, 1.5% milk, and this is the milk boiling. So we better keep it aside because it started boiling. We don't want it too hot. Let's start mixing. Vanilla geschmack. So now this thing is ready. We're going to add this into the boiling milk. Let's go to it. Now we shall give it a nice stir. Bring it back to the boil. You can put off the boil now. So I put it off the boiling. Now let's stir it. And we have to cool it down because custard has to be cooled off before we add it to our fruit. This is delicious. Let's chop the pears. In it goes into a bowl. Let's open this jelly now. We added the custard next. So after that we're going to add some jelly. Yay, in it goes. Be careful, I'm trying to hold the camera. It's nice decoration, you know. And here it is. My fruit custard jelly is now ready to eat. See how nice it looks, this jelly. This looks like it's going to overflow. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video, how to make jelly, custard and fruit salad. Of course you can add other such fruits, but here I just had pears, so I added pears along with my custard. Thanks for watching. Cheers.